being in the water for me is that moment of pure joy and happiness and freedom. Honestly, it's just that place where I can really switch off and feel the water and feel the wind and learn new things. And every time I go out there, I feel like I'm improving in some way, whether it's mentally or physically. It just really allows you to think solely on one thing, and that's where you are in that moment and how you're riding that wave or how you're handling that wind. And it's challenging, and it really allows you to just switch off from the rest of the world.